This is supplemental note 7.2. I'm going to title it Tug of War. And we're going to imagine a tug of war, not just necessarily between humans, though. We're going to imagine a tug of war between a couple of different species, humans and elephants. Okay, so the first is going to be, we're going to need some colored markers, okay, if you have them, or pencils. And the first one's going to be human. Okay, that black dot represents a human. Then we're also going to include in our tug of war a red dot, and that red dot represents an elephant. An elephant. Okay. And we're also going to have a green dot. And the green dot represents a baby elephant. A baby elephant. So, just to reiterate, we've got humans, we've got elephants, and we're also going to include baby elephants in these tug of war battles. And in the first, we're going to go ahead and draw a chart like this. We're going to say round, so we got round number. Okay, let's go and do this. And the winner. We don't have to write in here. I mean, you can just leave that blank. We don't need to do anything there. All right, so in round one, here's what we got. Round one is interesting. We've got a human here, a human here, like so. You got a grand total of 5 humans, with 1 in the center, and then 2 on each end. Now, we're going to go ahead and assume that the humans, that all of these, I think you probably know where I'm going with this, but the humans have a certain amount of strength, and all of these humans are kind of equally matched, okay? And then elephants have obviously a lot more strength than humans, and baby elephants have more strength than humans, but not as much as a full-grown elephant. So in this case, we've got 5 humans, all in this kind of, they're arranged kind of geometrically like this, right? So these two are having a tug of war. And on the flip side, these two are having a tug of war. And over here, there's a tug of war going on this side. And there's another tug of war going on that side. So in a situation like this, with everybody pulling kind of in the same direction, right? You've got one person pulling in towards the center and the other pulling out, and they're all kind of equally matched. Who would the winner be? You don't have a winner in our theoretical game of tug of war, okay, because these two are pulling out this way against each other, really, while you got someone else pulling towards the center, and these guys are pulling out that way. Remember now, they're all equally matched, so you don't really have a winner. So round one, no winner. Round two. Round two is going to include an elephant, and 3 humans. And let's go ahead and assume this is a full-grown giant elephant. And you got 3 humans with these little ropes trying to have a tug of war with him. Well, what's going to happen? What's going to happen is the elephant, no matter what, is going to win, right? The elephant's going to win. Because the strength of the elephant is no match even for 3 humans. So the winner in this case is going to be the elephant. Let's try another one. I'm going to get a clean sheet of paper. Hold on. Okay, in round 3, let's do a baby elephant. Let's do a baby elephant like that. Oops. Versus 2 humans. Well, who's going to win in this situation? It's still going to be the baby elephant. I don't know if you've ever seen a baby elephant, but they're a lot bigger and a lot stronger, even as babies, than humans are. Okay, so your winner is still going to be a baby elephant in round 3. Round 4. Oh, this is a good one. Round 4. We've got a full-grown elephant here. And then we've got 2 ropes connecting to 1 human. And then that human on either side also has, well, let's do it like this. Let's do it like that. Really and truly, these guys should be down here a little bit further, but for our purposes right now, you can imagine these 2 guys kind of down here like this. Okay? Because that doesn't really make a whole lot of sense to pull this way. They would really be back here, wouldn't they? Alright, and there's a reason I drew it like this. We'll get to that later, but you can imagine them here. I'll just draw it like this. How you can imagine it. You could imagine it like this. You can imagine it like this. Watch. You could imagine it like that. That's fine. And that might even help you. In either case, like this or like that, who's going to win this? Well, it's a full-grown elephant, yeah? So the elephant's still going to win, right? So we're going to do that. The winner in this case is going to be the elephant, for sure. No question. And if you want to change that molecule to look more like, or I'm sorry, not molecule, if you want to change the tug of war to look more like that, that's fine. That's actually better. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Let's move on to the next one. This is an interesting round, round 5, because now we've got a full-grown elephant here. Oh, I'm sorry. I messed that up. Let's do it like this. We got a full-grown elephant there. We've got a baby elephant here. And we've got a human over here. The human's going to hold on to the baby elephant by 1 rope, and the baby elephant's going to hold on to the full-grown elephant by 2 ropes. Here, did that show up? That's 2 ropes there. So who's going to win this one? Well, definitely not the human, but because a full-grown elephant is so much stronger than a baby elephant, that's going to go that way. The winner is going to be the full-grown elephant. Okay, round 6. Let's look at round 6. Ah, another interesting round. Oh, all right. This resembles a situation that you don't want to be in. Let's just put it that way. A human, and then on either side with 2 ropes, you're going to have 2 full-grown elephants pulling on you. That would not be fun. Even for someone as strong as I am, I still would not want that to happen. I wouldn't want to be in the center there. What's going to happen? That elephant's going to pull this way, and this one's going to pull that way. Now imagine that you were able to hold on without sustaining any damage to your limbs, which is not likely. It's not possible. But imagine you were. Imagine you were strong enough to hold on to both those elephants and they didn't pull your arms out at the sockets. What would happen? Well, you would just become part of the ropes between the elephants, wouldn't you? And so would there be a clear winner in this case if your arms didn't come out of their sockets? No, there would not be. There would not be a winner, because this is just essentially, you can almost imagine like this guy doesn't even exist there. Okay? And both elephants are pulling with equal strength on both sides, and there is no clear winner, so it's NA. No clear winner, NA. All right, last one, number 7. Round number 7 looks like this. It's a human being versus a baby elephant. Versus a baby elephant. Even someone as strong as Modaris could not win a tug of war with a baby elephant. Okay, I've got the strength of maybe 7 or 8 men, but I'm not as strong as a baby elephant. Okay, so in that case, the winner is still going to be the baby elephant. Okay, got it. So I'm going to leave it at that. Oops. I'm going to go ahead and leave it at that for now. And I'm going to continue. I think you know where I'm going with these notes, but I'm going to go ahead and continue in a new set in a new video.